Back to The Walking Dead Season 1, Episode 14, Blizzard, Season Finale. Actors played by Linda Wilson, played by Ranger Dino Campo. Dylan Wilson, played by Troy Daniel Ottoman. Denzel Wilson, played by Joshua Kimball Kaminsky. Cody Grimes, played by Richard Danny Grimes. Tora Warren, played by Terry Aaliyah Cheney. Roma Warren, played by Sydney Renee Prescott. Lolly Walsh, played by Shane Williams Walsh. Leslie Warren, played by Bella Coles Colin. Carla Walsh, played by Marcy Rudolph Dexter. Craig Dante, played by Billy Dennis Loomis. Don Dante, played by Jeffrey Montgomery Bellswood. Danny Wilson, played by Tari Donald Tellman. Janet Warren, played by Janet Napoleon Maplewood. Regina Ashton, played by Amanda Regita. Jared Ashton, played by Kit Harington. Tina McCree, played by Terry Winters Morales. Itself, played by Brett the Siberian Husky. James Skiers, played by Merle Timothy Dixon. Jimmy Ashton, played by Johnny Timbers Cage. Themselves, played by Sir Francis of Columbus, 6. Dennis Wilson, played by Floyd Gutierrez. Sergeant Dante Wilson, played by Josh Segarra. Serena Vulpix, played by Samara Weaving. And Justin Bell, played by Logan Miller. Synopsis. Episode synopsis and season finale synopsis. Cody and Tora find themselves inside a mansion connected to the release of the wildfire virus. The Coven arrives to the train. The Siberian tiger continues to stalk the group. Carla announces Danny's baby. Leslie Warren ends up pregnant. The snowstorm wreaks havoc as a blizzard. Cody and Tora find their ways to the train. Dante hotwires the train and passes it while Danny looks out for enemies. The train starts and the group slams forward, accepting the train itself for current shelter from the apocalypse and the blizzard. IMDb 8.9 out of 10 stars.